All right, finally, after a lot of complications, I have a permanent install of my backup camera. The best thing I could come up with is one of these mounts here over the dash, and that wire just runs sort of behind that molding. And it comes with this lighter socket. You know, you can plug in here, and then you run the wire up there. And but I wanted a more permanent install, so there's not wires everywhere, and I can free this up for like a phone charger. So I added another toggle switch to my console, and all I got to do is flip that up. The little light comes on, and bam. I still have to align it in the back. Obviously, I'm not backing up into space, so yeah. But there you go. And it actually will work with the engine off too, so that can be helpful, although definitely don't want to leave that on by accident because it could drain the battery. And you probably can't see the light because it's daytime, but that's it. And that's my inverter under the seat. So success, finally.